Hi, my pleasure to show you how to install a snap-in droplet shield. When you receive it, the box, and it's coming in with the pack of 2 leg, so you can hook them out. In here, they got measure with the Made in USA size. That's our product. Besides that, you will receive another bag with the snap-in. 4 pieces of long and 4 pieces of short. And then you receive 1 box of the seal. In this seal, we didn't take off the plastic yet because safety purpose for less scratching. So you only do take the off plastic from one side and the other side. Some coming with the clear plastic cover, some coming with the white plastic cover, but it's with the same product, it won't bother. After you take off the seal of the plastic, and what you need to do is open the back of the snap-in. This snap-in will help you to hold the seal on the table stronger and solid. Second, this snap-in will help you to adjust the size of the link. Make it simple. When you look at it, you want to be the height, what height you want to be. Take off the tape on the bottom, right? Make it simple. You want it to be high about 4 inches. You go or 4 inch or 3 inch. It's got the number in here. Let's make it simple. I want 3 inch high. So I go put in back here. Right? So it's 3 inch. In 3 inch. And on the other part, I still do the same thing. Take off the tape. I know sometimes this tape is kind of little gluey. It's hard to take off, but it's good. It makes you it's much more stronger. So same thing you see in here with 3 inch. Put it on 3 inch. Right? Remember, all this product is made in USA, Atlanta, Georgia. Right? 1 piece, and then on another piece. Right? And then you go snap in on the top, make a sample. You want it on the 17. Let's put it on the 17. I mean the measure of 17, not you 17 years old, okay? All right. So same thing, I put it in the 17. Right? So both sides will be even. So what I need to do now is just snap it in to the seal. So let's say example, I put it on the snap in the seal right here. On the bottom, I snap it in. Right? In on the top, I put it in, snap it in. Same thing on the other side, meter, right? Same thing I put right on here. And then on this side, I put it snapping in. Right? So it's ready to stand. But because for the safety purpose that you want the client touching in, sometimes you're afraid it fell. So what we need to do is, you see 1 inch snap in right here. What you need to do is snap on the bottom, the end of the bottom. 1 on this end, and 1 on the other end of the leg. Right? And this leg The same thing, snap it in. And the other one, snap it in. Right? When you snap in off both sides already, it's ready to go. Right? Because you want it to be solid, nobody can drop it. Take off the glue on the bottom. Right? Take it off. Take it off. Take it off. Right? What you gonna do is ready to stand. Make it simple. Wherever you want to go, set it on. Set it on. Push it down so glue can be glued out on the table better. Right? Now what you do, the customer touch on it, kick it on it, it's fine when it fail. Even if you want to take it out, you can unhook them and then take it out as you want. And then if you want to snap it back on, go ahead and snap it back on. And one beauty about this silk is you can take it out and adjust it higher. Make it simple. What I'm doing, take it off, put it lower, on this side, take it off, put it lower you want. That's the lower you want, or you can raise higher as you want. Thank you for watching. Appreciate it. Bye bye now.